Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117 because in this channel, you will find the complete solution of O levels, A levels, IGCSE, GCSE and many other competitive exams. In today's problem, we will solve this as, consider this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now 1 minus 2 will gives x square minus y square plus x equals 30 minus 30. So we get x square minus y square and plus x minus y equals 0. This will become x minus y, x plus y plus x minus y equals 0. Now we will take x minus y as common. Remaining is x plus y plus 1 equals 0. We get 2 x minus y equals 0 and the x plus y plus 1 equals 0. Now we get x equals y. When x equals y, put this in equation 1. So x square minus x equals 30. X square minus x minus 30 equals 0. Make the factors of 30. X square minus 6x plus 5x minus 30 equals 0. Take x as common, so x minus 6 plus 5 is common, so x minus 6 equals 0. So x equals minus 5 and x equals 6. Y is also same as x, so y will also equals minus 5 and y equals 6. We will write order pair as x equals minus 5, minus 6, minus 5 and the other order pair is minus 6 and minus 6, plus 6. Both are plus 6. Now we will solve for the other equation, that is x plus y plus 1 equals 0. We will solve for the other one. So we will do this here. Write the solution set here. That is minus 5 and 6 and minus, both are this one. So we will solve for the other one. From this we get x equal minus y minus 1. So y square minus x equals 30. In place of x we will substitute y minus 1. So equals 30. We get y square minus y plus 1 minus 30 equals 0. So y square minus y and this will be minus 29 equals 0. Make the factors of 29, then we substitute the quadratic formula minus 1 plus 1, b square mean 1 minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 29 divided by, so divided by 2. So y equals plus 1 plus minus 1 plus 90 into 4s are, we get 96. So this will be plus 90. This will be minus, then so this will be plus divided by 2. So y equals 97 divided by 2. So this is the value of y. Now what will be the value of x? X will equals, now we will write the answer here in the order pair form. X will equals minus y minus 1 means, write this here, the value of x will be minus y means minus 1 plus minus 97 by 2. So this is the value of x and y is minus 1 plus minus root 97 by 2. So this is the answer. These are the answers. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video. Stay tuned.